Okay, so now we're going to look at the leg. Basically we're going to use the same principle again. I'm just going to start off just to show where the pelvis is. I'm going to draw this sort of simple trapezium, and then projecting off that, just going to draw a simple line that represents the bone or the skeleton of the leg, the underlying direction. Basic foot shape, another sort of basic trapezium shape. Okay, and I'm going to divide this line in two, approximately in two, so that's where the knee is, halfway down. Okay, and then to start the process of massing or bulking it out, I'm going to put in two basic curves, one to represent the inner thigh and one to represent the calf. Okay, now actually I've gone a bit wrong there. The calf actually comes up above the knee here. Again, that emphasises the importance, difference between observation and drawing how you think it should be. And then the ankle comes in here. So we've got a series of sort of three opposing curves there. Okay, now if we think about the knee, so I'm just going to draw a circular shape for that, and then another circle kind of radiating out from that. Again, don't worry about using these basic lines, to map things out. You can draw quite faintly first of all, and then obviously detail over the top. Next, okay, we're going to move attention a bit more to the muscles, and we're looking at the top of the calf here. We have this the calf muscle. Okay, so I'm going to draw a sort of oval shape to represent that. Then really it's a question of building around this now. We're going to look, so again, we think the outer thigh sort of begins at the top of the pelvis here and curves in towards the just above the knee, should I say. Okay, so really a series of curves. We've got the inner calf there, so we have another muscle that connects up the top of the calf down to the ankle there. Okay, again, if we think about light coming in from top right, I'm just going to, if we draw the sort of the top of the thigh there, and then shade in the area away from the light source. Again, do the same with the calf. Okay, just sort of link things up a bit more now. And I think keeping it loose like this at the beginning, it stops you getting too precious about any of the lines you've put down. If you look at the line and it's just a bit out, you can easily quickly draw in another one using that first line as a guide. So again, underneath here we're just going to link up the thigh with the pelvis here. Okay, shading. And then really we've got the basic shape of the leg there now. Okay, there's a question now. Again, we can use contour lines to help us think about the surface of the leg and also adding form. Okay, and the contours can follow the shapes of the muscles and the bones. As you can see, they kind of the shape of them sort of protruding through the skin. Okay, and then really it's a question of just giving the leg more definition now, and really darkening out these outer edges to give it being a bit more definite, which you can do with more confidence now you've obviously now you mapped it out roughly or faintly. Okay, and that's our basic leg. Okay.